Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. If you're new, I'm Bria. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and don't forget to follow me on all my socials. So today's video is actually a makeup video. You guys been asking for this feminizing makeup video, so I thought let me actually do my go-to makeup that I actually do in order for me to snatch my face and give that very bold feminine look for all the girls and gays. So yeah, without me wasting any of your time, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel and comment down below. And yeah, let's get straight into this video. Hey besties, so the makeup that I'm going to show you guys is my everyday makeup, and everything that I'm showing you guys in today's video will be listed down in my description box. So I love to do this makeup when I'm about to shoot videos. It's just a quick everyday makeup that I love to do, that's not too much, and it doesn't actually involve lashes. I have stopped wearing lashes for like 2 years now, but I might go back to lashes these days, and I want to show you guys like a full glam beat maybe in next video, but I'm not sure when I'll actually shoot the video. So as you guys have noticed by now that I love to use hydrating products on my skin. I'm someone who loves a very matte makeup because my skin is more like combination skin, and throughout the day I love to sweat around my T-zones and stuff. So most of the products that I'm showing you guys in today's video is sort of like hydrating my skin and also protecting it at the very same time. I like to use a fan throughout all my makeup just so I can speed up all the process, and I'll be using this jelly gripper from Essence under my eyes and on my eyelids as well. And I also would like to use it on my smile lines because this way I have a problem with my makeup, because throughout the day like my smile lines will show. I smile a lot. I'll also go ahead and use this Yardley Translucent powder to dust out some of the shines around my face, including my eyebrows as well. All the makeup brushes that I'll be using will be listed down in my description box for you guys. So I'll be using this Essence concealer or corrector for my acne marks, my 5 o'clock shadows. One actually does need this concealer, you guys, in the makeup kit, and you can also get your LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade peach as well. So guys, my eyebrow video or clip got deleted. I don't know what happened to it, but yeah guys, if you guys want to watch an eyebrow tutorial video, you need to go back to a video that I actually did. I still do my eyebrows the same way. So I'll be using the lighter concealer on the bottom of my brow and the dark concealer on top of my brows. All the concealers that I'm using, you guys, are from Maybelline Fit Me. I swear by Maybelline products, you guys. If you've been watching my channel for the longest time, you guys would know I use most of Maybelline products and Essence products on my skin, but now I am trying like different products on my skin just so I can see how they go, because I'm a sensitive babe when it comes to like makeups and stuff. Sometimes my skin get irritated a lot, but these products that I'm actually using have been working out for me. And yeah, just the beginning, it don't get no better. As long as you hold down, I'll be up for whatever. And I love the way you look, because I see forever. I'm ready before, but I want you now more than ever. You make me wanna put the phone down. When we're alone, I wanna zone out. Baby, with you, I ain't got no doubt. Just tryna let you know. So I'll be using the translucent powder from Yardley to set my eyelids. I'm not gonna use any eyeshadow around my eyelids, and I'm using this spoolie from Use and Tones to clean up my brows or cover all the harsh lines around my brows. This is one of my favorite products, you guys, or favorite brushes, as I could say, for my brows. I like to go over my brows and make sure that it looks the same. It kind of doesn't seem that way the video. And I'll also be using this press powder from Yardley. I've just started using this press powder, you guys, and I'm really not sure how to feel about it. I'm still testing it out. You guys know my favorite foundation is this Fit Me foundation, but I bought a new foundation from Catrice. You guys would actually see maybe in my new video that I will actually show you guys. So for my under eyes, I do not put foundation on. I like to use that part untouched, as you guys I'm showing you guys in the video. I put to my concealer on that part, so I crease a lot, so I always avoid to put foundation on that part. Hopefully it makes sense. And on my forehead as well, I do not put a lot of products. I just take the excess product that's on my brush, then I'll use it or just put it on my forehead, because I also do use a lot of products on that part as well. I like to blend my mouth area first before actually going around my eyelids. I like to let my concealer sit first before doing all of that. I will start over the outer parts of my eyelids before actually going inwards around my lash line. You guys will actually see in the video how I actually do that, but after, when I'm actually done, I'll actually blend it with my blending blending sponge, just so I can blur out the harsh lines around my eyes, or the lines that I actually left when I was actually blending my concealer with the brush. You guys will actually see in the video. I'm really not good at explaining things, but hope you guys actually got what I just said. I'll set my concealer with this translucent powder from Yardley, and I'll be using this puffer sponge from Temu and dust off the products the back of my hand. While we're in the topic of talking about Temu has amazing things for Black Friday. You guys need to check their website and use my code that's on the screen, and I'll also leave it in the description box as well, so that you guys can buy all these amazing things that they have on their website. To blend out your contour, you need to go in circular motions and upwards. You do not need to drag your contour downwards, because your face won't look contoured as how you would want it to be. And you please make sure that you do not use a lot of product around your contour areas, because you do not want to look too draggy, as I could say. And I'm actually using these Hues and Tones brushes for the first time in this video. I bought them like last year around October for my birthday, and I must tell you guys, they are really good quality and they make your makeup look good. Like, they change your makeup game so much. And I'll leave everything down in my description box for you guys. If you're someone who likes very glowy makeup and you want a very affordable palette, this one from Makeup Revolution would actually change your makeup game. I've bought this like this year and I wanted to actually try it out. At first I was so surprised how tiny it is, but actually I'm not mad. It saves up a lot of space in my makeup bag and it's really good. Like, I would like to, you guys, I really do like it. It gives me that very glowy sun kiss type of vibe, and I actually do like it. If you guys haven't actually noticed by now that I like to dust off most of the excess products on the back of my hand. I do not like to put a product just like how it is. So I'll be using this Bobbi Brown 2-in-1 lip and blush palette. This is actually my sister's product. I actually wanted to try it out in the video, but I actually didn't want to go overboard and trying to ruin my makeup. So you guys know by now that I do not actually own a blush palette or blush product, but the one that I actually got from Essence, I think I bought it last year, if not this year. It's actually not good. Like, I actually do not like it, you guys. I've only used it like twice. It gives all a very powderish and not nice on my skin. You guys know by now that I would always use my eyeshadow palette that is more like a blush to me. I actually want to try like a new blush from Catrice that I've been seeing on my For You page, and I want to see how it acts on my skin. To use this Essence banana powder to highlight under my eyes and on my nose as well. I like to use this powder whenever I do like a full glam or very highlighty looks on my face. I've learned this step from the UK girls. This is one of my favorite steps and I like to use it. But you guys will actually see once I do like a full glam, you'll see the difference it makes on my skin. But for now, I'm just doing a very light, subtle beat for you guys.
Just the beginning, it don't get no better. As long as you hold down, I'll be up for whatever. And I love the way you look, because I see forever. I'm ready before, but I want you now more than ever. You make me wanna put the phone down. When we're alone, I wanna zone out. Baby, with you I ain't got no doubt. Just tryna let you know now.
My lip combo, I'll be using this Essence eyeliner pencil. I use it as a lip liner and I'll dust it off with my Fushini / Beige eyeliner. You guys will actually see my lip combo is very simple. I do not do much, but I want to learn like new lip combos because this is my signature lip combo like that I do all the time. I don't know, like I'm still scared to use like bold colors on my lips, but for now I'll just choose this lip combo every day, any day, whenever I'm actually doing my makeup. Guys, am I the only one who has so many mascaras? Like, I use so many different mascaras on my lashes. I actually want to try the Skyliner mascara from Maybelline, but if you guys do know mascaras that are suitable for people who have small eyelashes, please comment down below. I actually want to try different mascaras. I like this eyelash and brow gel from Essence. It keeps my eyebrows intact the whole day, and I also love to use this product because it gives my eyebrows that very feathered eyebrow look. And also, just in case I do darken my eyebrows, I like to go over this product and just clean up where I've missed up. When it comes to applying gloss, I love to go over my liner when I'm actually applying gloss. I do not like to go over my mouth. I don't know why. I just like this step so much. I've learned this step from Camu WW, if I'm not mistaken, but I saw it on TikTok. So yeah guys, this is actually how I actually do my makeup. I actually didn't do much on this makeup, you guys, and I hope you guys actually enjoy it. Yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Give me no